Hey, wait for me. Slow down. I'm gonna catch you, doggy.
Are you off to the fields now?
Yes, we are just finishing up here.
Please, watch your step on the path ahead. Thank you, we will.
That looks heavy today.
It takes so long to fill these pots today.
Yes, but the water is cool and fresh from the source. Here, drink this.
That's it, slowly now.
This one gives good milk. She looks healthy. Are you heading to the market later?
Bring the water pot here, child. Be careful not to spill.
Yes, mother.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hello there, little one. Working hard today.
Yes, helping my father with the wood.
Make sure you grind it finely, enough for the curry. And don't forget the onions.
The food smells wonderful today. We should eat soon while it's hot.
Let me help you with that.
Did you bring the notebook?
Yes, here it is.
And look, Mother packed extra lunch today.
Have a good day at school, everyone.
All right, move along now.
She carries so much hay every day. It's hard work for everyone this season.
When you turn these prayer wheels clockwise, it is believed to send prayers and positive energy into the world.
Look how far the terraces stretch now. Here is your tea, grandfather.
Thank you, my dear. Here you are. Run along to the shop now.
The price of lentils has gone up again this week.
I know. It's getting harder for everyone.
We might need to buy less sugar next time.
The break is right there. We must reinforce the wall before the next rains arrive.
This compost is very rich.
Yes, my daughter and I collected it this morning. It will help the crops here.
It's flowing! Yay! Yes, it's finally here.
All right, take these bundles and pass them down the line quickly. We must finish this section before the rain comes.
We plant the seeds in the muddy ground, moving together all day long.
This tea is wonderful. Just what we needed.
Yes, it warms you right up. Drink up, everyone.
All right, throw it right here. I've got it.
This is good leaf. Very smooth.
A moment of peace before the sun sets.
Careful with the basket, dear. We collected enough tools for today.
I found the small shovel, Mother.
We will come early tomorrow to help you finish. Oh, look at this happy little face.
Are you laughing at me?
She is enjoying the game you are playing with her.
It's brighter in the other shed if you need more light for those pots.
I found something. Look, look. Wow, what is it? Reach in further.
Fresh spices. Get your fresh spices here.
I'll give you 50 rupees for that bunch.
No, that is too little. Give me 75.
Can you do a better price for the turmeric?
Yeah. For you, yes. And a little something extra for your daughter today.
Thank you.
The steel looks strong, but show me the edge.
This is hand forged. It will hold its sharpness better than any other you find here.
Lift it up now. Okay, settling it on your back. Tighten the strap gently. Take this ginger. It will help. Thank you.
I told the principal we needed new textbooks right away. You did not say that. You are lying.
Is your dough ready for the fire yet? Almost. We should have enough heat now.
Look at that wonderful shape. It's perfect.
It's a little bit wobbly.
We will call it the smiling cake.
Be careful, it is still very hot. Eat slowly. Thank you, grandmother. It is delicious.
Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum.
The harvest is good, but we must work quickly while the weather holds.
The rains won't wait for us.
We should start in the morning.
Thank you. This is perfect on a cold night.
And then he said he couldn't find the goat anywhere.
Oh, that sounds just like him. What did she do then?
She just shook her head and pointed right behind him.
Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.
May you live long and be happy. May the gods always protect you.
See how long it has grown already.
The orange is so bright in the light.
I will bring more from the basket.
There, that looks perfect on her. She looks beautiful.
Happy festival day to everyone.
And when the great cat emerged from the darkness, its eyes glowed brighter than any flame.
We knew.
And then he slipped right into the mud. I remember that. His face was priceless.
Oh, yes, and the dog chased him afterwards.
Look closely, children.
This is him.
Is that really him?
He looks so happy there.
May you be blessed, child. Sleep well.
Good night, everyone. Sleep tight.
This tea is good for the cold. It warms the heart. We should reach the pass by noon tomorrow, if the weather holds.
Good night.